Are you ready to start earning money with your Faceless YouTube channel using AI animation? Look at this channel. It is making over $26,000 a month just by making simple YouTube shorts. Okay, let me stop right there. Over the past couple of months, there have been hundreds of YouTube channels preaching the same method and making the same kind of YouTube shorts. They all use this channel as an example, and they all made these shorts about psychology facts. Well, yes, it was successful at the time for the early creators in that niche. They got millions of views and thousands of dollars. But since many people adopted the same methods in the same niche, the market became too saturated. This made it almost impossible to stand out and make money from that method. But what if I told you there is a new way of doing it? Hey there, and how are you doing? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can become a successful faceless YouTuber. After watching this video, you will have your faceless YouTube channel that you can finally monetize. Create 6 months worth of YouTube shorts, and you will be able to automate all this using AI. But what kind of shorts are we going to create? Well, we are going to create riddle shorts, but we are even going to take it further. We are not going to create some random riddles. No, we are going to create math riddles. It is an untapped niche where you can rake up millions of views. But let me first tell you why riddle shorts are a good idea. Because the watch time and retention rates are high. People comment a lot on the video, and therefore your engagement rate is high. This will result in YouTube pushing your video and making it go viral. So are you ready to start learning about this new exciting method? Well, let's go. The first step is to create the script for all of our YouTube shorts, and we are going to use ChatGPT for that. We could simply ask something like, "Hey ChatGPT, please give me some nice math riddles to solve." But no, we are not going to do that. We have to get a more structured answer. So let's write in the prompt box. You are a math riddles expert, and your task is to create 5 interesting and quick math riddles for your audience to solve. The riddles should be easy enough to engage and entertain the participants. Each math riddle should have 3 options and only 1 correct answer. Please follow the table format below to present your math riddles. Title vertical bar hook, vertical bar body vertical bar, option 1 vertical bar, option 2 vertical bar, option 3 vertical bar. Answer, for example, title, fun math riddles. Hook, can you solve this? Body, I am an odd number. Take away 1 letter and I become even. What number am I? Option 1, 31, option 2, 7, option 3, 99. Answer, 7. Please ensure that your math riddles are engaging, well-crafted, and provide a satisfying solution. And then press enter. Look at that. That's amazing, but now we want that to be in a table format. So let's write, use a Google Sheets table format. That looks amazing. Now let's ask it to make 200 similar riddles. Okay, we have to remind it again that it should format it like Google Sheets. That's nice. But it says it can only give us 10 at a time. To extend the answers from ChatGPT, just write continue and do that multiple times. Once we've got all the riddles, we will have to import it into Google Sheets. This way we can organize it far easier and edit it if needed. For example, I only want options with numbers in them, so I will delete the riddles that have text options. And also double-check this entire sheet. Because if there are mistakes here, your video will end up looking bad. Now it is time to create the shorts. We're going to use Canva for that. You can use it for free. And there is also a free pro trial available which we will need in this video. So in the search bar, search for mobile video. And then click Start Blank. Now first, we want to have a nice background. So click on the Elements tab and then search for any background video you like and which is most engaging for the viewer. I will use this motion background with some numbers here, and then just drag it onto the canvas and right-click and set it as a background. Next, we're going to add the script text. So, copy the text from the first column, in this case the title, and then we go to Canva and click on Text and add a header. Now paste in the text. Now we can resize it, change the font, style, etc. To make our text pop, we're going to add this shape to the background. Adjust the size and choose a color you like most.
Hey, it's Sir Lemon here. Sorry to interrupt, but I have to tell you something. To avoid errors, instead of adding the shape, you can click the text and then add the background effect. Believe me, you want to do that. Okay, I will leave now.
Okay, thanks, Dad. Next, we are going to add a black overlay to ensure that all our text will be easily readable. So just add a black shape and resize it. Now just adjust the transparency. Now next we have to make sure that the black overlay is positioned behind our text. Just do a right click and go to Layer, and then select Send Backward. Okay, now it is time to add the hook text to the canvas. So let's copy it and paste it in there. And also adjust the text. Change the font and make it nice and appealing for your audience. Now, we're going to add a nice illustration. Let's go to the Elements tab and then search for something like this here. A woman thinking. Luckily, this one doesn't have a background. Later in the video, I will show you how you can remove a background if there is one. Okay, that looks great. Now to make our video more engaging, we are going to animate all the elements. Just select an item and click on Animate. Here are a lot of different animations to choose from. Select one you like and then apply it also to the rest of all the elements. Just try out what you like the most and play the video over and over. Now comes a crucial step. Right-click on the text layer and then press Show Timing. Here we can control when elements show up and disappear. In other words, here we can adjust the duration of each element, because, for example, we want the hook text to end when the body text should start. Talking about the devil, let's copy the body text of the riddle and paste it into Canva. Let's resize it and add this background right here. You can just find it when you click the Effects tab. If you like it so far, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Now we're also going to adjust when it should show up in the video. So right-click on it and then press Show Timing. And like I said, now we want the body text to show up when the hook text disappears. And don't forget to also add some animation effects to it. Now we are going to copy and paste the three options of our math riddle. A simple trick to copy and paste text is to just click on a text and then press the duplicate button and paste in the text you copied. Do that for all the three options and also add some nice animations to it. And also make sure that when other items disappear, new items appear. This way you keep the audience retention higher. I also added A, B, and C to the three options. Next, it is time to add the answer. Adjust the font, color, and effects. Add a nice animation to it, and make sure to time it right. And as you guessed it, the answer should be shown at the end of the video. Let's also add some celebration animations when the answer is being shown. Just search them in the Elements tab. Here, let's take a look at how it looks so far. That looks great, but let's add a bit of suspense and excitement. Let's do that by adding a timer. This way, you are going to add some urgency to the video. So go to Elements and search for a timer you like. And then resize and adjust it so it fits the video. I will also add this timer animation as an extra and put a nice animation on it. But hey, we need another ingredient. Yes, that's right. We need some music. Instead of using the Canva music, which is often subject to copyright, let's use the YouTube music library. Pick one song you like and download it. For example, this one here. And then upload it to Canva and place it right under our video. Now let's watch the final result. Doesn't that look amazing? But now I am going to show you a very important and magical step. Now we are going to automate the entire process and make multiple shorts at once. So here on Canva on the left-hand side, go to Apps and then search for Bulk Create. Or sometimes it is also here on the left, right under Apps. And to be able to use this app, you will need to have a paid Canva subscription, but rest assured, you can also use the 30-day pro trial for free, like I said in the beginning. And then it will look like this here. Now click on Enter Data Manually, and then click on Clear Table. Now go back to Google Sheets and copy about 30 rows. Make sure to also copy the title of each row. Now go back to Canva, click on that box with a T, and then paste it there. And then press Done. Now comes a very important step, and you will need to perform this correctly in order to make 0 mistakes. We are going to connect the data. Click on Position. Here you should see all the elements used in the video. Now go to, for example, the title text, and then click on the 3 dots, and then click Connect Data. And then click on Title. You see what we did here? We connected the title text with the title dataset. So, yeah, we have to connect each dataset, so the title, hook, body, the 3 options, etc., to the text element in our video. So do that for all the text elements in the video. Just click on the 3 dots and then select Connect Data, and then choose the right dataset. Once you've connected them all, you will see these checks here. And then click on Continue. And now click Generate. And look at that. After only a few seconds, we've got 30 shorts ready to be used. How amazing is that? Let's download it. Click on Share and then Download. And now make sure that you select Download Pages as separate files. This way, we get 30 videos individually, and not one long video, and then press Download again. The reason why we made only 30 shorts is that if you would make like 100 of these, it would become a bit boring. We need to have some variation. To do that, we simply change the video a bit and add some different visuals. Change the background. And change the woman in the video. For example, this one here. But this one has a background. Well, just click on Edit Photo and then click on BG Remover. And just like magic, the background will be gone. And then just change whatever you want to change. Like, for example, you can choose another font or give it another background text color. When you're done, just do the same bulking process again. And of course, make sure you copy and paste the next 30 rows from your Google Sheet. And there you have it, 30 fresh new shorts ready to earn you money on YouTube. And let's also download this. Look, here are the 2 WinRare files. In this package, all of our videos are stored. Let's randomly watch some of them. That's great. Now let's randomly watch one from the second package. Just amazing. Now just make a folder on your computer and extract these packages there, so they are ready to be uploaded to our YouTube channel. Before we are going to create our channel and automate the video publishing on YouTube, Here is a cookie for you. You must be hungry. But let me also give you some other YouTube Shorts riddle or quiz niche ideas since you came this far. Well, you could try out the history niche. Here you ask about a historical fact and add a multiple choice question. Next, you could try out to make a quiz or riddle about nature facts and build your channel around that type of content. And next, you could also make interesting quiz riddle shorts about celebrities, movies, or even football. These are just to give you some great inspiration and also to give you extra motivation. You can achieve it. Believe it and act accordingly. Now that we've created all the content, it is time we create our Faceless YouTube channel. I bet you all know how to make a YouTube channel, but I will sacrifice Lemon Chip's channel for educational purposes. So go to Customization and then on Basic Info. So let's change the name and call it Short Math Riddles. And also change your YouTube handle. And now we will ask ChatGPT for a description. Just ask it something like this and include that it should not be longer than 1,000 characters. Yes, YouTube doesn't like it when the description is longer than that. Now just copy and paste it in your channel description. Now next, we are going to create our logo and channel banner. We are going to do that in Canva. Just click Select a YouTube logo blank page and start creating. Add your name in there. Change the font and add some nice effects. Add a background that fits the channel. So I think this numbers background will do great. And I added this checkmark, just because, why not? And download it to your computer. While we are at it, just duplicate your Canva tab and then select a YouTube banner blank page. Now go back to the YouTube logo project and copy and paste it into the YouTube banner. This way, you can work 10 times faster. And then arrange the order. And also add an optional subtext like this here. And also download it to your computer. Now go back to YouTube and select Branding. Upload your logo and your banner. Also upload your YouTube logo as your watermark. And press Publish. Now it is time to upload the content. But we are first going to upload one video. We will need a title, description, and tags. Yes, they do matter. So let's ask ChatGPT to do that for us. Copy and paste it. And also add some hashtags to the video. YouTube likes that. And then publish your video. Amazing. Look at that. Here it is. Let's give it a secret like. Just to get the ball rolling. Now we're going to upload the other videos. You can upload 15 at once. Here comes the cool part. We can easily click on one of the videos that are being uploaded, and then on the right, click on Reuse Details. Now select the video we just published, and all the tags, description and title will be copied and pasted. How great is that? Now just schedule this video. And do this process to all the videos. After doing that, you can sit back and relax, and all the videos will be automatically published. And to take it even further, you can also post these shorts on TikTok and schedule them as well. And the same applies to Instagram Reels. And that's it. Now it's up to you. Use these methods and ideas and bring your imagination to life. Go and become successful. You can do it. Have a lot of fun. And don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.